Long ago, in the early days of America, when the land was wide and the towns were still young, there lived a boy named Daniel on a small farmhouse at the edge of a meadow. His father worked the fields from dawn to dusk, and his mother filled their home with gentle wisdom. Though their family had little, Daniel carried a heart full of curiosity and dreams larger than the horizon. One summer afternoon, as he walked along a dusty road, Daniel ate a sweet, crisp apple from his basket. When he finished, he was left with only the small brown seeds in his hand. Most children would have tossed them aside, but Daniel paused. He remembered his mother's words, "Great things often begin small, my son." Carrying the thought in his heart, he pressed one seed into the earth behind his house and covered it gently with soil. Each day he returned to water it, whispering as though the seed could hear him. Days turned to weeks, and still the ground showed no change. His friends laughed and told him he was wasting his time. Yet Daniel's faith was stronger than their doubts, and at last, one morning, a green sprout pushed bravely through the soil. From that moment, Daniel cared for it as though it were a living friend. He shielded it from animals, shaded it from harsh sun, and protected it from careless steps. The sprout grew taller with each season until it became a slender tree. Still no fruit came, and Daniel began to wonder if his years of patience would ever be rewarded. Then one spring morning, as the meadow awoke in color, Daniel saw his tree covered in blossoms, bright as stars against the sky. By summer, the blossoms had turned to round red apples shining in the sunlight. His heart overflowed with joy. He did not keep the apples for himself, but shared them with his family, his neighbors, and travelers who passed his way. From every apple, he saved the seeds and planted them carefully beside the first tree. Year after year, the patch of bare ground grew into rows of trees, until the meadow behind the farmhouse had become a vast orchard. Birds built their nests among the branches, bees hummed through the blossoms, and children laughed as they gathered fruit in their hands. When Daniel was grown, an old neighbor came to see the orchard and shook her head in wonder. "All of this," she said, "from just one seed?" Daniel smiled and answered, "Yes, one seed cared for with patience and kindness can grow into something that blesses everyone." And so it was that from a single seed grew not only an orchard but also a lesson that would live on. Great things often begin small, and one act of care can give blessings to many.